Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks doing a box of 16 Bowman Draft Baseball for Greg. Good luck, man. Brand new case. Let's see another Moniac, right? We learned in the last case, the card you want to see first, I think, was a Dalton Jeffries. Because then the Moniac comes right after it, in theory, of course. No guarantees. All right, Greg, I'm just going to show the hits if that's unless you want to see every card. The autos are in the same place. So, Justin Dunn. Nice clean auto. Staub and Quantrill refractors. Ben Bowden. 27 of 499. Bradley. Kyle Lewis purple. Yeah. 39 of 250. Quantrill, Bichette, and Phillips. Oh, redemption. Who's a redemption in this? Sorry, I don't remember. Jake Rogers, Logan Shore. Jeremy Martinez, 133 of 150. Yeah, Griffey is has the history thing as redemption, and there's some others. Craig, Jeffries, and DeJong refractors. DeJong, Allard, and Johnson. Happ and Muller. Sopko and Shelby. Hader and Hudson. And Kyle Quantrill. Kingerly and Espinoza. Beatty and Kieboom. Domingo Leyba blue, 30 of 150. Birdie, Hart, and Woodman. Kyle Hart, Zuch, and Wade. Greg, good luck, man. Hope this is a nice autograph. I haven't seen many redemptions. Congratulations. Oh, draft history. Should Should be a good one. Of Cal Ripken. Way to go, man. Nice card. Yeah, I love those personally. Okay, Ripken, Quantrill, Kyle Lewis Purple, and Justin Dunn. All right, Greg, thanks a lot. I will get these, I'll try to get them out today, but it'll probably be tomorrow. Let me know. Yeah, good box. Let me know if you want another one.